Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Pisces. If you want more clarity, Pisces, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Hierophant, Emperor in reverse, and Ten of Pentacles. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Pisces, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are a very kind and compassionate person, guys, and you are a very friendly person. So, with the people in your life, in your personal life, with your family members, or with this person you love, or with the people you work, you are very kind and you are a very helpful, friendly person, helping them, helping others in whatever way is possible for you guys. And you are someone who is really humble, and you are also a dedicated person, honest, working, making a lot of efforts, doing your best, trying to do the best for everyone and yourself. And that may be the reason, whatever your situation is, you are feeling really confident and cheerful today, guys. Cheerful because you are someone who is a really kind and compassionate soul. That may be the reason you feel really positive and happy always, cheerful always in any circumstances, guys, Pisces. And maybe in your career or in your personal life, you have that sense of completion and happiness. Things are going well for you in your relationship, or maybe you may see yourself progressing towards the dreams you have for your future in your career. So, some positive changes, some kind of success or achievements you have tasted today, and you are happy for it, happy for the way things are going in your life today, guys, Pisces. And maybe in this relationship also, guys, you have that sense of completion, happiness, and you have a beautiful understanding with this person. And maybe something is there in your heart of hearts. With this card for your relationship, guys, we have Four of Cups. So something is worrying you, or you are focused on something. Maybe Pisces, something has come up, something unexpected maybe, but your focus and attention is on something else. Maybe you are worried about your work situation. Maybe you have some important decision to be made. So for some of you, I see you engrossed in some thoughts, maybe some plans you have, or some dreams you have, and you are feeling really tired and sick and tired of the way things are in your life today. So maybe for some of you, you may have some kind of misunderstanding with this person, but though this person is trying to console you, they are trying to help you out, maybe your attention is on something else. You don't want to come out of your world, maybe your world of dreams or your world of worries, whatever it is. You are not aware of the present situation, guys. You need to understand that if you are simply brooding over the past, it is not going to help you in any way, guys. So you must overcome your past, you overcome your worries to see what is happening in your present situation, guys, Pisces. So though you are happy, you have happiness in something, you are quite worried about something. Maybe in your relationship, you are not so happy today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your career situation, Pisces, we have Five of Wands. So you are working really hard, struggling a lot, maybe, but with these cards, guys, with all these cards, I feel that your problems will resolve, guys. You will have happiness and peace of mind, Pisces. So things will resolve for you, guys, Pisces. That is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for you all, guys, today. So in your circumstances, each and every one of us, we see the same event differently because our point of view is different, guys. So we need to know that. And if we want to change the way we are, we must change the way we perceive things and maybe the understanding that comes with it. So we are telling a story to ourselves, something of the past, and we are focused on certain things, and we are creating a story for ourselves, for our life, for our past. So whatever it is, when we change the way we see our circumstances, the way we perceive, so even that story is going to change dramatically, guys. And today you need to change the story of your relationship, guys. So over time you have come to a conclusion that this is what has happened, or this is you and this is that other person. So today you must be brave and ready to see the truth, ready to see your circumstances, see your past or maybe your present from a different point of view. So that is going to give you a better clarity, and you should be able to acknowledge your mistakes and all that good things you have done, maybe the remarkable things that you did in your past. So reframing the past, what has happened, is going to help you move forward with a greater wisdom and strength. So if you want a relationship, guys, you must rewrite the past, that story what you have in your mind, and do it only with the details that focus on your strengths and your good things, not on that shortcomings and not on challenges whatever you faced, guys, in your life, in your past. So you must keep your focus on that positive attributes you have you had and even that past person has had. So that is going to change the way things were in your past, and that way you will be able to heal, and you will have a lighter sense of feeling in your heart. You will feel really light and relieved when you do that, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you want a better relationship in your future, in your present, you need to do this, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the cloak of Christ. So with this card, guys, it just means that there is a person, a thing, or some kind of circumstance in your situation that is simply acting like a huge weight on your shoulders, pulling you down, pushing you down, holding you back instead of helping you to move forward. But you need to understand that there is divine grace waiting to unfold in your life today, guys. But you need to be free of these shackles, whatever is holding you back, and feel that confidence and strength in your heart. So your intuition will be guiding you today, guys. It may be telling you what you need to do. So maybe there is someone trying to control you, control your actions, or control your decisions today. Sorry, guys, decisions today. So whatever it is, it may be a person or your circumstance, whatever it is, you need to overcome that. You need to feel that release happening, guys. So when we give up on some things, when we release some things, whenever we are forced to do that, maybe you will feel that urge to move away from this control. So you have that some kind of a subconscious intuition to move away from the situation or away from this person. So when that happens, you need to understand that there is a divine blessing waiting to unfold in your life, guys. That is what is happening to you now. So there are better things waiting to fill your life, waiting to manifest in your life, and that is the reason this circumstance is being pushed away from you. That is causing a lot of pain for you, lot of fear. So you should not hold back just for the fear of what will happen in your future. So there is a great breakthrough waiting for you, guys. So you need to take this strong steps towards that. So first thing to do that is to give up this control that you feel in your situation, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. And I have monthly reading in my other channel, and I'll be sharing the link in the description, guys, so you can watch that video in that channel, guys. And please subscribe if you like the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.